The blue waffle has landed.
The blue waffle is it's got a full bill of health, so that is absolutely fantastic. Chuffed to bits with that. No advisories, no nothing, straight through the old MOT. So we're back on the road for all intents and purposes. Just looking through the old paperwork, the last MOT expired in 2019, which is, what's that, at least 9 years ago. So bringing it back around again took a bit of work, bit of time, and if you've watched the videos, thank you very much indeed. Huge thank you to those of you that have chipped in and helped me along the way. Massive thanks and help for that. Thank you. So now I'm just going to walk you around the machine just to see, point out what we've fixed, what we've replaced, what we've done, probably what we're still going to do in a bit, you know, now that we've got a ticket on it, and just rerun the fun really. So let's go.
So first things first, we've got some S22 tyres on there. The old tyres were ancient, shot, buggery, no good at all. New discs, new pads, forks stripped down, cleaned, new you know, the things that go inside them, seals, new oil in the forks, unseized the adjusters, new wheel bearings, new radiator, mudguard polished up nicely, calipers completely stripped, new seals, and should probably put some new lines on. Hashtag not sponsored. Hell, brake lines are amazing. Send me some. Calipers stripped, rebuilt. This piece of the fairing has been replaced because the old one was cracked and split. New oil filter and oil. Engine, new exhaust nuts and studs. Exhaust pipe had to come off. Cleaned the engine. There's the new radiator. Nice. Down here, new fasteners. Lovely. Let's move along here a bit more. New chain and sprockets. Sprocket in the front also replaced. In behind here, new suspension bearings. The wheels have been cleaned, scrubbed, painted. Probably going to powder coat them in the future. Swing arm has been off, refurbished fully. New rear wheel bearings installed using the bread technique. Nice. Let's look up there. Seat covers, front and pillion, professionally resurfaced. New bolts in here and here because I had some and I painted these because these are all snotty. That's just been cleaned up nice. Nice. New number plate. Looking at this direction. Tank. Nice. New stainless fasteners. The old ones were all rusty. Up the front, ignore that. At the front here, cleaned, made, working again. Let's go to the other side. New rear brake disc, new rear brake pads, new split pin, cotter pin if you're from America. Exhaust pipe is as I got it still. Might put a new sticker on. Might cut this down to about here. Make some noise. Right, what else have we done? We need some new rear brake lines because of the way that it is. Rear shock probably needs looking at. Inside here, the clutch. Remember the clutch? I had some issues with the clutch. Put it into first gear and it just used to stall. Went down a rabbit hole of thinking it was a lockout device on the clutch or on the side stand. It wasn't that at all. The clutch was C-solid. So we've added a fix to that and it works. Let's say no more. Anything else new on this side? Oh, under the tank. Carbs have been off, stripped, blown through in the tank of fizz, you know, that does the fizzing. That's all done inside there. Great. And coming this way still, we've got another new disc, forks with more new seals in, and another rebuilt caliper. Ace. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that little trip down memory lane. Took a bit of doing actually. I've had the bike now for, when did I have it? August 24. It's been sat in the shed for ages. Finally got around to doing it. Did the yellow one first. That was this one was sat in the shed, so that's why it took a little while. But I'm absolutely chuffed with how it's come out. It's nice. It just needs a damn good thrashing now. So stay tuned, and I will definitely bring you along for that ride. You know, I've been to the MOT station and back. That's about 4 miles through a village, probably less. So I haven't really ridden it at all yet. The first time out on it, you know, let's go and let's see what it does, because that should be either A, really exciting, or B, very disappointing. We don't know. We don't know what's going to happen yet. But thanks for watching, and keep your eyes peeled on the blue waffle. It's going to come to another video near you, or maybe even a track day. We don't know. Thanks, and let's get out on the road. Sun's shining. See you next time.